Standard single-pass retrieval-augmented generation is proving insufficient for complex research. Standard RAG systems act like a reflex. They match keywords to a database, pull a handful of documents, and generate a quick summary in seconds. It is a passive, one-shot process. In 2026, researchers are deploying multi-step, autonomous deep research agents to handle higher-order tasks. These systems function like human analysts over extended periods. They plan, self-correct, and synthesize data over compute horizons that can last up to 30 minutes. To understand this development, we need to dissect the agentic architecture, track a live multi-agent workflow, and examine the clinical risks that emerge when these systems hallucinate. We will also look at how enterprise frameworks like Nvidia's AIQ are managing the resulting compute costs. Understanding this architecture is the difference between utilizing a simple AI tool and deploying a fully autonomous digital workforce. Deep research agents operate on a continuous plan, search, read, synthesize loop, structured around 5 core engineering pillars. First is intent clarification, breaking a complex query into parallel subtasks. Step 2 is iterative browsing. The agent searches, identifies knowledge gaps, and autonomously pivots past dead ends. Step 3 utilizes multimodal parsing. The agent uses vision models to interpret charts in dense PDFs and executes Python code in sandboxed environments to run statistical calculations on the fly. Managing the resulting influx of data requires Step 4, context engineering. This involves the deployment of specialized high-speed worker agents. These worker agents prune irrelevant HTML noise, like website ads and navigation menus, into clean, structured JSON memory. This prevents the system from overflowing its context window and becoming confused. Finally, in Step 5, synthesis, a parent model cross-references that JSON memory to draft a comprehensive, fully cited report. Without this rigid filtering and routing structure, an agent would quickly hallucinate under the weight of its own retrieved data. We can see this logic in action by prompting a system to research the competitive landscape of solid-state EV batteries targeting the year 2030. The orchestrator agent analyzes the prompt and divides the task into parallel research tracks: capacity metrics, timelines, and supply chain risks. One worker agent searches for QuantumScape's 2030 capacity, but initially finds only outdated press releases. Recognizing the gap, the worker self-corrects. It autonomously formulates a new search for a recent investor presentation, successfully extracting the updated target. Simultaneously, a parallel worker parses a 100-page IEA report, using a vision tool to interpret a complex bar chart detailing global sulfide shortages. That same worker then spins up a Python sandbox to calculate average cost increases for lithium metal over the previous 6 months. After filtering the data, the agents return with verified facts, including Toyota's plan to scale to 500,000 commercial units by 2030. All of these pruned findings are passed back to the orchestrator to draft a final markdown table with precise inline citations. This orchestrated workflow compresses days of human desk research into a 15-minute automated task. But the same multi-step reasoning that makes these systems powerful also creates specific vulnerabilities, particularly in medical AI. This is the RAG paradox. As the x-axis, the volume of complex medical documents, increases, the y-axis, the model's accuracy, drops. This challenges the assumption that retrieving more documents leads to better results. In clinical settings, providing too much semantically similar text often confuses the model. Because deep research is iterative, it is highly vulnerable to hallucination cascades. If the agent misinterprets a statistic in Step 1, it bases every subsequent logical deduction on that false premise, corrupting the entire report. This introduces the risk of automation bias, where clinicians may trust a visually perfect, heavily cited report without verifying the underlying raw data. Reliability requires transparent evaluation frameworks like MedResearchBench and constant human-in-the-loop verification. In autonomous logic systems, an early error structurally infects the entire investigative process. To manage these hallucination risks and high compute costs, enterprises are turning to frameworks like Nvidia AIQ.
AIQ uses a line-graph state machine, where a central orchestration node routes queries through defined logic gates. Simple requests route to a shallow agent, limited to 10 turns for a fast answer. Complex tasks route to the deep agent for iterative, multi-phase execution. To prevent astronomical API costs during these audits, AIQ utilizes a hybrid cost optimization strategy. A frontier model handles the high-level planning, while efficient open models like Nematron are dispatched to do the high-volume data extraction from thousands of documents. The framework also utilizes the Model Context Protocol and OpenShell to securely query proprietary databases, identifying compliance gaps without risking data leaks. AIQ demonstrates that the future of enterprise AI relies on rigid architectural routing and hybrid compute. The emergence of deep research represents the deployment of autonomous digital workers. Beyond business, these architectures are reaching into pure mathematics and scientific discovery. In early 2026, Google DeepMind's math research agent autonomously solved open problems from the Erdos Conjectures database. In software engineering, these agents are managing repository-wide migrations by mapping dependencies and executing changes incrementally. In finance, they are automating audit preparation, parsing international regulations to identify specific risk gaps. The engineering focus of 2026 has transitioned to orchestrating logic, managing state, and verifying autonomous execution. To keep pace with the architectures of autonomy, subscribe to KYC AI Labs.